Well, Trump supporters filed a petition with the National Park Service to hold a rally in Washington, D.C. This application is the third in less than 2 months and aims to take place on January 6th, the day Congress counts the Electoral College votes and certifies a winner. President Trump took to Twitter urging supporters to attend the rally and protest election results in various states. The Park Service has not yet granted the request. However, permits aren't typically issued until the week of the event. Well, meantime, One America's John Hines explains the importance of January 6th.
The new Congress will be sworn in Sunday, January 3rd, and its first order of business very likely will be to count the presidential electors on Wednesday, January 6th, in a joint session of Congress. Vice President Pence will preside in his role as President of the Senate. He will begin to open the sealed certificates submitted by each state alphabetically and hand them to tellers appointed from among the House and Senate members to read. If any objections are to arise, the key here is that both a House and a Senate member must lodge an objection in writing for it to be considered. Should there be objections, the Senate would adjourn to its chamber, and the House and Senate separately would debate and then vote on the objection. At this point, reports indicate soon-to-be Senator Tommy Tuberville of Alabama and Senator David Perdue of Georgia have both indicated that they would raise objections. Another handful of GOP senators, according to reports, appear to be undecided as to whether or not they will object to the electors. These include Rand Paul of Kentucky, Ted Cruz of Texas, and Josh Hawley of Missouri. Meanwhile, in the House, Alabama GOP Congressman Mo Brooks is heading up an effort to oppose electors that now includes more than a dozen House GOP lawmakers, including, among others, Brian Babin, Lance Gooden, and Louis Gohmert of Texas, Matt Gaetz and Greg Steube of Florida, House Freedom Caucus Chairman Andy Biggs of Arizona, and Madison Cawthorn and Ted Budd of North Carolina. Finally, each objection can be debated for up to 2 hours. So if objections are raised for each of the 5 or 6 states now in question, it could be a long day in Congress. It all starts at 1 p.m. when the House and Senate will gather for the constitutionally prescribed process to take place in the House chamber on January 6th, the first Wednesday after the first Tuesday of the new year. John Hines, One America News, Washington.
Want to see more videos?